some of this juice?
Yeah.
Come on.
That's it.
What?
That's it.
Here you go. What is up, y'all? It's your girl Unique and Sayamora. Nah, look at the camera. Sayamora. And so we are back with another video, and of course today, y'all already know we're gonna be doing a mukbang, and I love doing these mukbangs because it gives me an excuse to go out and buy food that I don't even really need, but I've been wanting. So, ooh, so we're gonna be doing a seafood mukbang. Look, you see the crabs? You scared? Look, they good. Look, let's do a thumbnail, Ma. Look, you wanna hold a shrimp?
No.
Okay, do you wanna hold the corn?
No.
You want the corn? Okay, we're gonna get some corn. Now look at the camera, smile.
Oh,
Look, no, smile if you want some corn. Come on, smile. Give me a kiss. Ah, give me that. Ah, now do this. Oh, we better have a cute picture after this. Oh, kiss the crab leg. You wanna kiss the crab?
No.
Okay, you don't get it. So anyways, we have crabs and shrimp, and we have our potato, of course. That's the potatoes. Then we have our corn.
I want corn.
You want corn? What color's the corn?
Yellow.
Give me a kiss. Thank you. Okay, look. You gotta bite into it. Good? You want what? You want lip gloss? You can get some after you eat, because you're gonna mess it up when you eat it.
I want my color.
Y'all, juicy crab is so good. Look, come on. You're not biting into it, girl. Bite it like. There you go. Put some teeth in it, baby. So yeah, we really here you go. But yeah, I really don't have a specific topic on what I want to talk about. Oh man, you wasted. You wasted it. Wait, eat it over the plate. Eat it over the plate. But yeah, I really don't know what I want to talk about. I just really just wanted to do a mukbang. So y'all can see us eating. Wait, mama. Smile. Blow a kiss. Now blow it. Mwah. Excuse me. Can I have my seat back? Okay. Come on. You want to sit on mommy's lap, or you want to sit on the counter? You want to sit up here? Okay. All right. Get some more shrimp. You okay? She was doing that on purpose. Little Corona, baby. Come on. Get some to drink. Come on, get some juice.
No.
You are nasty. Ew, stop doing it, Amora. Stop. Show the camera how nasty you are. Girl. Okay, look, that's nasty. Stop it. Yo, I know I told them mild, but this is kind of, it's a little spicy. Come on, say ah.
No.
Come on, say ah, it's good. Say ah. It's like in mukbangs, do y'all just listen to me like eat? Is that what it is? That's what I'm supposed to do?
I want that.
It's good.
I want gold.
Look, this is how you get all the meat out. Huh. Look, you want some crabs? Look, this is how we get the meat out. See all this meat? Oh.
What happened?
Come on, say I. Mmm.
One corn.
You want some corn? Okay. So, come on. Eat it off the plate. Come on, eat it off the plate.
Harder.
Okay, here. So, I.
No. Oh, I didn't.
You just said you wanted corn.
No, Nana.
Oh, you want some sauce? Yeah, juicy crab is good.
Good? So.
But now, if y'all in Atlanta, it's this place called what is it called? It's called VIP Seafood, and it's like New Orleans seafood. Is so good.
Me.
It's on your arm. It's the juice from the seafood. Why would you rub that in? Ma'am, you taking a shower after this. You wanna take a shower?
No.
So there you go. What? Your finger? Let me kiss it. You okay? Y'all, they did not give me an egg. I'm so mad.
What's wrong?
They didn't give me an egg. Mama wants some eggs.
Want eggs?
You want eggs? Here you go with that nasty stuff. Stop. And drink some of your juice because I know it's spicy. I can't wait till all this corona stuff is like cleared up, because I miss sitting down and eating like a normal person.
I want corn.
You want some corn?
I like it.
No, why she don't eat it?
Want it sauce?
Want some sauce? Okay, now eat it.
No, I want it sauce.
Okay.
She eats it itself.
Dipping it in the sauce. Ooh, my nose running. Mommy nose running.
Repeat. Oh yeah. So,
Now eat it. You gotta bite into it.
I heard.
You have to bite into it. Okay, hurry up and bite into it, Ma.
She not know me.
Yes, Jesus loves me.
It's the baby.
It's the baby?
Know me. The Bible says he will.
Oh my God. Wait. You got seafood hands, girl. Let me go.
No. You like my face.
We wanna have karaoke? Yeah, I was like focusing on the shrimp for a little minute. Let me get to these crabs. What, Ma? I'm gonna put my leg down, look a little professional. So, Mora, let's talk about you. Let's talk about something.
No, it's my mom.
Do you like your room?
No.
You do?
No.
Oh, y'all, I had ordered her her bed frame and stuff. And her headboard is so cute. So cute. I'm gonna show it to y'all when it get here. It's supposed to come on Thursday. So I'm gonna vlog on Thursday so y'all can see it. It good?
Yeah. She needs some light.
Okay, get some juice. Get some juice.
Is it sauce?
It's a sauce.
It's a woman.
So,
It's mommy.
It's yummy?
Nice tummy.
Mm-hmm. But you like your room more?
Mm-hmm.
So now, Amora, when you get this bed, there's gonna be no excuse as to why you shouldn't be sleeping in your room.
No.
Y'all don't be mad if she come in the middle of the night trying to sleep with me. You'd be so mad.
That is out.
Mm-hmm. Look, Amora, the corn is drenched in the sauce. You put enough sauce on there. It's okay. You don't need no more. Just bite it.
This is my body. Oh, my body.
Mm-hmm.
What happened? What they did?
Nothing happened. Ooh.
Okay, back the eye.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Ugh.
See me.
Oh, y'all, my auntie calling me. My hands got seafood all over it.
You.
Oh, my phone on one. Let me call it back.
This is my hand.
Ah!
What happened?
You got seafood on your hands. Oh, y'all, this is the best part of the crab. Look, you putting the seafood all on the chair. So look, so I kind of wanted this to be like an asthma, whatever they call it.
Hey, mommy.
Okay.
Why?
You what?
I don't want you.
You're two?
Nah,
Yeah!
mommy is you.
I'm 18.
And what my sister.
And you're two.
Hey, sir, that mama was one.
But you were just one last year.
What was the one?
Yeah, and now you're turning 3 next year.
That was my room.
So what do you want to do for your 3rd birthday?
The baby?
Yeah, what you want to do for your birthday next year?
No, it's not my baby.
What you want to do? You want to have a party?
That's not baby.
Okay, you want to go out of town?
It's not like the baby.
Yeah, next year is going to be your birthday.
It's not the baby.
Yeah, next year is going to be your birthday.
It's not her.
Stop, girl, you making this. I don't know, it's for my birthday this year. I really wanted to go out of town, but I don't think that's gonna happen anymore. But if it does, I don't think I'm gonna go like out of the US like I wanted to at first because of everything.
I'm gonna pick the water.
But I'll probably go, okay, ma. But I'll probably go to like Miami and have like a yacht party or something. Along with people that I know.
She has no wife.
That's probably like, that's the plan. I just do not want to be in Atlanta for my birthday.
Make the baby.
For my birthday.
It's your baby.
Happy birthday to you. Come on, sing it.
Happy birthday, Shishi. Happy
To you.
Happy birthday,
Oh.
Shishi. Happy birthday.
Okay, y'all, more season this corn good. Is it?
My arm.
Your arm? Okay.
Not to my elbow.
Your elbow?
It hurt in my
Let me kiss
elbow.
it. It's better?
My
Bite it.
elbow.
Amora, it does not need any more sauce. Y'all, look at my hands.
Ew. No. Water. No, I want water.
You want some water?
It's it.
You want some water?
It's this.
Amora, do you want some water?
No.
Okay. Amora, let's talk to them. You want to talk? Do you want to talk?
It's my phone.
That's my phone.
It's my phone.
It's my phone. It's my phone. It's mine.
It says.
It's my phone.
It says.
Who paid the bill? Yeah. Mommy paid the bill.
You.
Wanna get here?
Oh, what kind of mommy? What kind of
Oh, let me put y'all on to a show. Money Heist. That's like my favorite show at the moment. I could watch that show like a million times. It's so good. Go watch it. And I promise, y'all gonna be like, oh my God, you need to put me on. Y'all already know I'm gonna put y'all on. And ignore that, my friend all in the bed. But, oh, excuse me. But yeah, please go watch Money Heist. It's good. Mama, what's your favorite show? What you like to watch?
It's your wawa.
What do you like to watch?
It's not cake. It's that pork.
Okay, she just broke it down for me.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you messed it up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. Yay! Yay! But that's it for this mukbang. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really wanted it to be more of a mukbang instead of me really just talking. What? Look, wait. Before you go, come on. She wanna go play with her toys, y'all. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say I love y'all. Look, no kiss. Aw, look. Aww. Mo. Come on, look. So we're gonna see y'all next video. Oh, you smell like shrimp. You wanna go take a bath? Come on, let's go take a bath.